Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm now going to introduce you to a new bit of kit that I'm going to start using from now on my channel. First I did have the DSLR, the Canon 750D, but I wanted 60 frames per second. I've got the G7X Mark II, which does have 60 frames per second, but it does lack the mic input as well. So I've now gone for the Canon EOS M50. It's a small compact mirrorless camera. It does do 60 frames per second and it does have a microphone input and a hot shoe on top to mount a microphone. So now I've got the 750D and the G7X molded into one camera. So after this video, from now on I'll be using the Canon M50 with the Rode VideoMic Pro. So obviously the audio at the moment I'm using on the G7X, it isn't great. And another bonus on the M50 is it shoots in 4K, but I've seen a lot of reviews and videos recently about the 4K and it is heavily cropped. I think it's about 1.5 times cropped or 2 times cropped. So you do lose a lot of area. Anyway, I'm just going to quickly show you what's in the box and just quickly around the camera. I'm no professional. Manual, power cable, camera strap. There's a little beauty already. Pop that there. This is the battery. Canon battery, LPE12 battery. It's only 875 milliamps. So it's not great, so I'm definitely going to have to get an additional battery or two. Smartphones have got bigger batteries than this. Charging pack. And the kit lens. Okay, now I ordered the white because I thought it looked stunning. Let's have a look. Wow, that is beautiful. Would have been even better if that was white as well. It's like a glossy white. It's nearly cream. You can't see that on the camera that well, but there's sort of like a creamy white. Nice leather grip there, which is great. Leather on the back of the LCD screen as well. That looks brilliant, guys. Can't wait to start using this. The retractable LCD, perfect for vlogging as well and selfies, although I don't do vlogging myself, but that is great. This is what it exactly was like on the Canon 750D. The G7X only folds up, so that's another great thing as well. I like the retractable LCD display, and you can fold it away to protect the glass. Viewfinder, and all they're pretty much the same as they are on Canon cameras. The dial there, the shutter, record, on off, and the side, at the side here, HDMI and micro USB. Wi-Fi built in as well. Beautiful, this looks stunning. At the bottom here, battery compartment and micro SD card. Okay, so battery and SD card are in. Hot shoe. Can fit my microphone on there. But the microphone's nearly as big as the camera. So there's the mic input. Mic input in there. Sweet. Let's get the lens out. Okay, here is the kit lens, 15 to 45mm. On my Canon 750D it was 18 to 55, I believe. So there's a slightly wider angle, being 15mm, which is great. It's also got image stabilization on the lens. Let's go ahead and install it. Like that. Satisfying click. There we go. With the lens attached. The M50 pucker looks fantastic. Put that on that. Turn it on. See what we got. We've got to do all the setup. Okay, so here we are. Put it in manual mode. Autofocus looks incredible. Blueberry S3, which the video will be coming soon for this. Let's switch to movie recording. Manual movie recording. So we'll record at 1080p on the M50. Lovely. This is quite stunning. You can see at the moment, this is what I got in shot. Let's switch to 4K. And that's how much it crops it. So there's quite a lot of cropping going on there. Now we're recording in 4K. Now we're recording in 4K. But overexposed, I should have sorted the shutter speed. But this is 4K. Let's try a selfie. So manual mode. Sweet. Obviously there's so much. The menus are really good on Canon's, very easy to use. Shoot settings, playback settings, functionality, display level settings as well. There is loads and loads. So I'm going to be playing around with this and hopefully producing some more high quality content on this channel. I will include a link in the description. It'll be an Amazon link where you can get one of these if you're interested. But I'm just sharing you guys just to share what I'll be using now on this channel. The Canon EOS M50 4K mirrorless camera, and it is a little beauty. So thanks for watching, guys. Any questions, please comment below. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.